Hey guys, it's Allie. Welcome back to my channel. It is, I don't know, Saturday. It's about 5 o'clock. It's very cold. We're expecting a winter storm with probably, they've been saying all week that it's going to be pretty bad. It's moving across the country. And we are expecting, yesterday, as of last night, they said 5 to 8 inches. My area, 4 to 8 inches, my area being about 5 inches or so. But this morning or this afternoon they've downgraded it a little bit. I'm still going to get a bit of snow, so I'm doing some preparing. There goes a farm truck going by. I'm going to give the animals some extra shavings. I'm going around taking up the buckets and stuff that are outside just so they don't get all snowed on, giving everybody extra water, and picking up the tools like the rakes and stuff like that that are outside and putting them inside the barn. And bringing the guys some treats. I've got some carrots and stuff. And going to see if the goats eat some raspberries. They might. In the meantime, making sure that this little guy has plenty of water. As you see, his mush is very watery. It's and I'm going to give the goats some extra hay. It's really important to keep their stomachs moving and digesting to help keep them warm. So, and this little guy has colicked a bunch of times, always in the cold and in stormy weather. So we take a little bit of precaution with him, and that's what we're doing now. So come along, I'll show you the rest. So we got a little bit of a pile there. Dreamer will make his own bed, but at least it'll be extra warm and dry. Although he should be fine in here. And we got a carrot, Dreamer. Your favorite. Look at his nose. That's all mushed up hay pellets. He's so funny. You're so funny. Yeah. Gathered up all the tools we got. Put them inside the barn so they don't get all yucky and cold. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is just scoop up all of these leaves that blew into the barn and give them to the goats because they love leaves. Right, guys? That's Rudy rubbing his head. I don't know why. Okay. I got all the tools in. We've got the extra bucket. We've got the other buckets coming in. I think we're good. Okay, I'm just scooping up these leaves and hay. Give them to the goats. Call them on a raspberry? Rudy? Oh, he doesn't like them. Oh, well. We tried. I know somebody who'll like them. Sarsaparilla. Sarsaparilla. Come here, baby. Yep. Sassy always likes his fruit. I got blueberries, too. Here's some blueberries. Ooh, yes, he likes them. Uh-huh. Good job. Good boy. Got one more treat. Now, goats don't have top teeth in the front, so they got to eat the carrots on their molars in the back. Oh. I see he has a hard time breaking a piece off. Say, Rudy, was that a fart? You just heard a goat fart, everybody. No. Easy. break it up. But you could see there's a real hard time. I gotta break it up before you choke on it. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching my channel. Everybody stay warm across the country. I know we're in for some snow pretty much everywhere. Well, it's supposed to start tonight. Bye. Bye guys. Hello. Well, the storm's over, I think. See, we got some snow. Not the 3 to 5 or 3 to 8 or 5 to 8 inches that they said would get. But it is snowy. And gotta go check on the barnyard animals. Let the dogs out this morning. They were excited because it's a little snowy, but we're under the dogs get to go under this roof here. So there wasn't a lot of snow underneath, but swept that off, and now we got to go out there and open those guys up. So remember I said Dreamer would spread his shavings on his own? Hi, buddy. He did. That looks like he enjoyed them. He's hungry. Got to give him some water. It looks like his water's frozen. So add some hot water to that. Good boy. I'm going out to bring Dreamer his bucket and some warm water for both the goats and Dreamer's buckets. And it's cold out. Something very important to note when living on a farm and you have to go out in the snow, or for anybody out in the snow, is have a good pair of winter boots. These do not qualify, but my shoes I usually wear out to the barn to keep dry in the mud and stuff have no grip. So it's not going to help me in the snow, but I don't want to wear my new sneakers in the snow because I just got them. Boy, it's going to be a cold walk. And see, he got his shavings in there. And it's frozen, so you can see the bubbles underneath the ice. So I use a little hot water so that I can help melt it, but I'm going to have to dump that after it defrosts and fill it up again. Let's see, you guys. How are you doing? Yeah, it's cold. Got a little snow in there, but not too much. That's good. Hi, Cola. Hi, Sass. Hi, Rudy. Alright, I'm going to get these guys some extra hay. You guys hungry? Whew. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I'm not going to be able to lift this. Look how beautiful this grass hay is. It's so green. Nice. Interestingly enough, our hay supplier burnt down. Big store MFA burnt down. It's still smoldering like a week later. It's crazy. So this is hay from somewhere else. Very nice stuff. You guys like it? Yeah, you like it. It's a good goat. Alright. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going inside to have some nice hot chocolate. Maybe some breakfast. And see what we're doing tomorrow, because I don't know if we're going to get to work. Our road is not even plowed. Hey, no fighting. So anyway, it's important to keep your guys warm and eating. Don't forget that. Thanks, guys. Bye.